This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to change a Letterboxd list's visibility so we can make it public or private depending on what we want for our lists. I'm right here on the Letterboxd main page at letterboxd.com. First things first, let's come up to our name at the top and we'll click on our profile right here. Now you'll be on your profile. Next thing you want to do is come on over to lists on this menu here. So we click on lists, and just like that we see all of our actual list, so not someone else's, our own lists. And we can click right here on a list. You can see right here that this one is in fact only visible to me, so these two right here are private. That's the one for films with my wife. I just thought I'd keep that one private. And we can click on to watch, this is currently a public list. So I'll just show you. I'm not actually going to make it private, but I'll show you how to do it. So you've opened up a list, you're on one of your lists right here, and we're going to click on edit or delete. So once we're here, we can see who can view, and you can see that only public lists appear on your profile for others. And this one is currently set to anyone public list. So the three options even, we can have anyone with a share link. So that's slightly different. This one is actually public. This one is only available if someone has a specific link. This is friends, people who you follow with a share link. And then this one right here is the private option. So if you wanted it to be private just to you, or whoever's using your account, you can click right there and you will just click on save, and that list will then be private. If you wanted to knock it back to being anyone public, you can select anyone public list and click save right there. And that is how you change list visibility. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.